Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting topic for you. How to change the language on Instagram, whether you are looking to connect with friends in a different language or just curious. We have got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First of all, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile screen to access the menu. Now find the settings option. Tap on it to access Instagram's setting. In the setting menu, look for account option. Tap on it and then look for the language or language and region option. Now tap on confirm and choose the language you want to switch to from the list provided. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm and your Instagram will now be in the language you selected. There you have it. Changing the language on Instagram is a simple process. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.